All I wanted was a chance to beat you at one thing. Just once before the end of the year. Is that too much for a villain to ask?
You did all this just to notch some kind of victory over me?
Maybe.
Yeah, I guess I have been pretty dominant this year.
You guess. You guess! I made a New Year's resolution to beat you one time this year. And here I am, 10 seconds before midnight, and I can't even win a simple game of checkers!
Tell you what, Egghead. You still got a couple seconds left. In the spirit of the new year, I challenge you to a dance-off.
A dance-off? What, are you making fun of me? Not cool, Sonic!
I'm serious. The end of the year is a time for letting loose and having crazy fun. What's more fun than a dance-off? So, we gonna dance or what?
Check this! What?
My turn. Here goes nothing. Oh. Looks like you won, Egghead.
I won! I beat Sonic! Hey, everybody! All right.
3, 2, 1!
Hey, everybody! I beat Sonic! Kneel before me!
What are you talking about?
It was a dance-off and I won! Didn't you see? It was right here!
Technically, it happened in the blink of an eye. Nobody saw anything.
What? Oh!
Well, nobody but me. Happy New Year, Eggman.
Happy New Year, you blue son of a gun.
Hey guys, I just saw my shadow. 6 more weeks of winter!